What is up, you guys, and welcome to the most magical parking lot on earth, the TTC. I'm seeing a lot of chatter online about low crowd levels this summer. So it's about 3 o'clock right now, and I don't know if you can tell, but the parking lot I'm walking through is pretty empty. I parked behind this parking lot in the first row of Scar, so not too full. We'll see what the wait times are like and if it's shoulder to shoulder and all that, and just kind of see what's going on. I want to go check on Rivers of America and see if we can see any progress on that. Big Thunder, and I don't think we can really see anything going on for Villains Land because that's going to be, behind Big Thunder Mountain, but let's see what we can see. Let's go hang out. If you are coming to Disney World soon, and by soon I mean like within the next month or so, the weather has been very interesting this summer. I want to say it's rained the past 3 weeks, like at least once a day. Right now we're kind of in this little middle, like it could rain, it could not, so hopefully it doesn't. If not, oh crap, I forgot my umbrella in the car. We've gone too far, we must continue. Oh well. Now don't go thinking just because it's gonna rain it's gonna cool off. It'll cool off right before the rain, but as soon as the rain passes, you have all that moisture coming right off the ground, and then it just feels like you're walking into a hot bathroom after somebody gets out of the shower. So I don't know when it's going to cool off. I never do. I've lived here my whole life and I still don't know when it gets cold outside. You just kind of walk out one day and you're like, oh, I need a jacket. Hooray. Are you kidding me? Look how crowded it is. I'm just kidding. The parade just stopped, so this isn't really a fair judgment call. I'm going to head over to the river first, then we'll check on Big Thunder Mountain, and then we'll just kind of walk around, see what's going on around here. If you want my tips for beating the heat in Florida summers, I'm just going to be honest. You can't beat the heat. You just deal with it. Accept the fact that every time you walk outside, you are going to sweat. You can be outside for 5 minutes. It's just going to happen. Drink plenty of water. Check out the shops. And if you have one of those routes like Main Street, you can walk through the Emporium pretty much the whole entire distance of Main Street. So do that. Take the little cool routes when you can. So I'm seeing some construction walls up. I don't know if we'll be able to see the river. I'm going to walk past the wall and see if... I just want to see if they're draining it yet. Like, how fast are we going to move on this Cars expansion? So the river has not been drained yet, but they are starting to line up these walls. There's a gap right here, but I'm noticing down by that bridge by Tiana's that you can cross to go to Big Thunder, that has a wall up too. So I'm thinking there's going to be a wall up around the whole entire river after they drain it and actually start constructing and deconstructing. Take a last look at Tom Sawyer's Island. It's going to be interesting. I don't know how I feel about it. I'm excited. I don't have any attachment to Tom Sawyer's Island, so. Now, can I just be honest with you guys for a second? Like, we're all friends here, right? Honesty's accepted. I think as Disney fans, the longer you come to the parks, you get that nostalgia. You see things from your childhood. And it is upsetting when things do go, but we can't keep latching on to nostalgia to prevent progress. They're closing Tom Sawyer's Island because nobody was going to it. Like, let's just face facts. Muppet Vision, nobody was going to see it. Any given day of the week, you could go watch Muppet Vision and it would have a 5 to 10 minute wait, basically a walk-on at 24/7. So, if you like something, enjoy it. And keep enjoying it because you just never know when it's going to go. Now, I miss things. I miss Mr. Toad. I do miss the Muppets. I miss the Great Movie Ride. But things happen. We can't change it. So just roll with it. Just roll with it. I do think history is important. That's why if they ever even whisper about taking away Carousel of Progress, I will rally a group and we will chain ourselves to that attraction. Don't play with me. Just thinking about the Great Movie Ride, it didn't have to go. It was super dated, but it's like they could have gone in, given us all new movies, the new style of animatronic. I think it's called like an A1000 or something, how they're like super fluid moving, like the ones you see on Tiana. And then Mickey's Runaway Railway could have gone maybe in Magic Kingdom's Toontown. I don't know. I'm just kind of thinking out loud, but at what cost? Because don't forget, Disney World is a business, so ROIs, people. ROIs. Big Thunder Mountain Railroad. Let me see what I can see. I'm just here being nosy. I'm curious about this big tarp right here. Like, what's going on under there? What could they be doing under that tarp? This is all just speculation. I can't see anything. I see more tarps over there. There's actually some construction guys up there. Let's see what I can see over here. I did see online, somebody got like an aerial view that the track has been updated. So, I mean, that was kind of a given. I knew they were going to do the track, but yeah, this is as far as I can tell right here. So yeah, this is your construction update. They're still working on it. My prediction is I think we're going to get the dynamite tunnel that Disneyland has. Actually, I think a few of them have it. I think it's in Paris too. But it's on like the kind of last section of the ride when you're going uphill slow in a tunnel. And I think we're going to have the TNT, like the fuse strips going up to the TNT, the dynamite, and then it starts blowing up, and then you come down the hill. That's just what I'm thinking. It should be a smoother ride too. New track, right? So here's hoping. And I do see a large crane sticking up right there. I don't know if that's for Big Thunder or if that's for Villains Land. Probably Big Thunder. Speaking of Big Thunder, I hear thunder. I hope I don't get wet. I was going to go up to the Frontierland train station, see if I could have a little sneaky peek, but that's closed off as well, so. This has been Mousetracks, coming to you live from Magic Kingdom. Alright, I'm going to go into Critter Co-op and see if there's any Larry merch yet. If you guys don't know what I'm talking about, past vlogs, Larry, which I'm pretty sure is pronounced Larry, is my favorite new character from Tiana's Bayou Adventure, so we're going to see if he's on a t-shirt or a plush yet. Come on. Give me some Larry. Still no Larry merch. One of these days. But they do have a new Tiana's Bayou Adventure shirt. It says Make a Splash. I'm not sure if that's a nod to Splash Mountain or not. I feel like I've seen this design except with the, like, you know, Briar Rabbit and them riding the log flume. But they could have put Larry on this. Larry could be in the log. This shirt is $32. Lovely shade of blue. You could have just put Larry just right there. Come on. They should have put the Briar Rabbit on the front. Not a whole lot of new Tiana's Bayou Adventure merch. I did find some socks, and I do love Disney socks, but this is my issue with Disney socks. Let me see if I can show you. If I take this flower, I stretch it, that's what it ends up looking like while you're wearing it. So they get kind of like warped, and you can't really see these designs as good. Not all of them, but a lot of them do that. How much are these? No price. Thank you, Disney. Love that. Hey, they have a print. This is kind of fun. Very colorful. This is $45. Did you guys put Larry on here? No, you didn't. If you guys don't know who Larry is, he's the angry armadillo. It's my spirit animal. I just went and checked on the wait time for Tiana's. It's at a 65-minute wait, but they're not letting people board right now. They're actually holding the line, so that might be because of lightning, so we're going to get struck by lightning. We're going to get rained on. We're hot. It's a good day to be here. I hope it reopens, because that's a lengthy line to have everyone turn around and exit. Remember earlier I said you can kind of feel that little cool down period right before the rain? Yeah, that's what's going on right now. It is drops, there's a breeze, and you can kind of like smell it. You know what I mean? I know it rains everywhere in the world. You guys know that right before the rain smell? That's what's happening. I might want to see some. Try to jump on Pirates real quick, and that's at a 45-minute wait. Looks like everybody has the same idea, so we'll just keep trucking along. What's happening? Oh my god, pure chaos. Gotta move. Well, that escalated quickly. I am hunkered down in the sunglass store. Should have grabbed my umbrella. What a mistake. I brought one too. It's not too bad, but we're stuck. I'm not walking around with my camera. Okay, that didn't last too long. I ended up moving before the rain stopped, so I just put the camera back in its case and moved it along. A lady was trying to squeeze by me in the sunglasses store, and she was holding a Dole Whip, and she rammed her Dole Whip into my elbow. So I turned around like, oh, sorry. And she goes, no, I'm sorry. And then she took another bite of the Dole Whip that just touched my elbow, and I've been sweating all day. I'm out of here. Okay, enjoy your Dole Whip. So I feel like there were low wait times, but then it started raining, so everybody... Oh my god, I just stepped in a huge puddle. There go my flip-flops for the day. Anyway, I feel like it was a good wait time day for rides. Like Buzz Lightyear right now says 15-minute waits. I don't know if you can see that. But the line is all outside because I think everyone just ran to indoor attractions. So my little experiment is being skewed. I bet you even Carousel of Progress is full right now. made the executive decision to take a little ride on the People Mover.
Next station is Tomorrowland Urban Planning and Star Traders. Transfer to green and red line.
Don't worry, your express train keeps on rolling through the future. I can buy 2 of my favorite spots. First up, Progress City. Walt Disney's amazing dream for a community of tomorrow. Did you know Progress City inspired Epcot? There are a lot of the visionary ideas throughout Walt Disney World. Look, there's even a tiny people mover. I wonder if that means there's a tiny ORAC.
Tomorrowland Speedway not running. Roads are too slick, you know. It's actually very peaceful without hearing all those little lawnmower engines going.
Visitors from Galaxy M31.
Is Tron running?
Forward-facing tentacles clear of oncoming vehicles. Thank you.
I don't know if they closed Tron, because I mean, the outside's covered by a canopy, but it might still close for lightning. Yeah, my lightning lane got canceled because of the lightning. Hey! Oh, there it goes. Space Mountain isn't running, so it's really quiet. Awkward. That's the line for Buzz Lightyear. 15 minutes my foot. Not gonna lie, I think I've lost the plot of this video, but I don't know. Let's just walk around Magic Kingdom and enjoy the rest of the day. I got like another hour or so before I gotta head out of here. What do you think is going on over here? I got no idea. It's just a big hole in the ground. That's all I saw from the People Mover. Huh. Okay, so this is interesting. Story time. Not really, but I got off People Mover. I did a little lap. I'm back by Liberty Square, obviously. Disney has no posted wait times right now for basically any of the attractions. So what did I walk past? Winnie the Pooh, Mine Train, Small World, Peter Pan, Haunted Mansion. There's lines, they are boarding, but they have no posted wait times because I guess when it rained, everybody just ran to the closest thing. So now they don't even know how long the wait times are. Interesting. And everything's long, so I guess everyone's just trying to stay inside. So is what it is. I'm a little wet. I'm going to start making my way out, but I'm going to stop in Emporium and maybe a couple other shops on the way out. I was going to give myself a little treat, and they closed the spring roll cart. Nah. Magic ruined. Worst day ever. All right, we got some new Spirit jerseys. New to me, anyway. This one is Magic Kingdom. They got the Monorail, Orange Bird, Mickey, Small World, Big Thunder. This is kind of cool, actually. No price on there. Oh, right there, Genius, $80. We've also got is this Villains? Yes, it is Villains. Queen of Hearts. Let's try to guess. Who's that? Who's the feather? Who's the A? Jafar. Zurg. Randall, maybe? Maleficent. More Maleficent? I'm not doing very good. What is this? What is it? Scar? Maybe? Cruella? No, that's Scar. Who is this? Oh, maybe it's, what is his name? From The Incredibles. Not Buddy. Sin starts with an S. I'm drawing a blank. Ah. Ursula. What is this? Emperor's New Groove, maybe? Oh yeah, pretty cool. Fun game. And we've got characters on this one, Walt Disney World. And then the pink one is princesses. Fun stuff. Yeah, I figured we'd find some new stuff. We're doing spooky season already. Here we go. Kind of like that one. These are $30 each, or they're on sale. If you buy two, they're $25 each. This one's not bad either. There's also Pick Your Poison. You got Maleficent, Ursula, or Evil Queen, Ursula, Maleficent. Yeah, we're doing it. We're doing Halloween in July. Go Ghouls. Oh, let's go Ghouls. Minnie, Clarabelle, and Daisy. Yeah, it's happening. There's this Villains. I don't want to unfold it, but yeah, I'm assuming a villain shirt that says Walt Disney World on it. Look at that. That's cool. Nice, nice, nice. We go to the little Nightmare Before Christmas action. Oh, wow. I kind of like that. I'm not the biggest Nightmare fan, but I do like this shirt. I thought it was just going to be a little bit plainer than that. I like the pumpkins. Halloween in July. That's crazy. Whoa! Hello Orange. I don't know if I can pull off orange.
I will let you look at your
Oh, here we go. Right in front of me. If I would have just pulled this mannequin over on top of me, that would have been game over. Would have left for the day. I'm going to go across the street to Main Street Cinema. They usually have some kind of vault collection stuff, which I like. Right, here we go. If you are really into pin trading, we got a Disney Pins jersey, like a sports jersey. It's even got this on the sleeve. Nice patchwork. What's on the back? Trader 25. How much is this bad boy? 70 bucks. We've also got this pin shirt. I guess it's like, yeah, just a bunch of pins all over. And the t-shirt's going to run you $35. Very interesting. Not knocking it if pin trading's your thing. I'm more of a pin collector. No, I'm not. I just buy what I like. Very, very small pin collection. Well, I am headed out now. I'm back at the monorail station. That was probably the most random, all over the place, chopped up video I've ever made. So, next video will be a little bit more fun. I'll see you real soon. And if your dreams don't come true, make them.